Hi there! So I've been interested in getting a cold pressed juicer for quite a while now due to all of the health benefits that come with it. And I asked a couple of friends and did a little bit of research myself just to find out which juicer I should actually go for. And for me, the most important features were obviously ease of use and easy to assemble, the large feeding chute so that I don't spend too much time chopping up all my healthy fruit and veg, and easy to clean, because who wants to spend hours cleaning appliances? So that's where I came across the DNA Slow Juicer. And today we'll be doing an unpacking video where we'll also show the juicer in action, as well as how easy it is to clean. So hopefully all those features we're hoping to expect are true. So let's see what we have. 2-year motor warranty, high juice yield, looks like you can even fit a whole apple into the chute, which is quite convenient. Comes with a whole range of parts. High juice yield. Looks like you can even juice celery, which I believe is quite the tricky one to juice. Oh, and BPA free. Great. Well, let's start with the unboxing. So it comes with an operating manual. 2 chutes. This must be the cleaning brush. And 2 juicing bowls. Some sort of screw. And the main part right over here. Let's move this box out the way. So we have more space. Okay, I'm assuming I'm going to start with this over here. This must be the cold press screw. That's quite nifty. It slots in. It actually tells you exactly where to fit the part. Okay, that's done. Now we join the 2 together. Click. This must be for pressing your fruit and vegetables down. And our 2 bowls right over here. That was pretty simple. Actually very easy to put together. Looking forward to getting started on making my juice. So I decided to make a healthy green juice, which is super cleansing and detoxifying. And as you can see, I've done very minimal prep. I literally sliced my cucumber in half as well as my lemon. Okay, so let's get started. Let me turn the machine on. We'll start with a delicious green apple. Brilliant. And I'm going to open my juice lid over here to let the juice out. Perfect. Moving on to celery. It's amazing how it just grabs the celery. I actually can't believe that I didn't even have to slice the celery. Okay, great. Now I'm going to move on to all my other leaves, starting with spinach. moving on to some parsley. And 2 variations of kale. This actually just looks like health. It really does. Okay, great. Now we're going to move on to a cucumber, which will go through there. As you can see, I've kept my peel on my lemon, which helps with keeping your body alkaline, so we don't want to be too acidic. There it goes. Brilliant. And ending it off with a delicious apple. Okay, great. Still got a little bit of juice coming out, so I'm going to let it run for a few more seconds. Want to just make sure that we get all of that juice out of the fruit and vegetables. Okay, great. So now what I'm going to do to make sure that we're getting as much juice out as possible, I'm actually going to reverse the system. Just for a few seconds. Perfect. Now I'm going to play again. See if we have any juice left over. I'll do one last little push from my side with the pusher. Perfect, I think that's about it. Although we actually even still have juice coming out, which is quite a surprise, I must say. And interesting to see, if we look at the pulp, it's actually really, really dry, which means obviously a lot of juice has been extracted. Okay, so I'm going to stop the machine right there. Brilliant. I'm going to close the lid to make sure there's no more juice coming out and to avoid any sort of spillages. Now, let's see what this tastes like. It's surprisingly delicious. Wow, I think I could definitely drink this on a daily basis. I'll definitely be much healthier for it. So overall, I must say I'm very impressed with this machine. I think it was a superb purchase and I'm really happy. But now, for the final test, we need to see how easy it is to clean. So let's move on to that. Okay, I'm gonna start rinsing this. Great. That was quite easy to remove. Use my cleaning brush just to get into all these little grooves. Perfect. I'm actually quite surprised how the pulp is removed so easily, just with a little bit of water. Got to get into all the different little angles. And then we're pretty much done. Great. That's it. So overall, I'm really impressed with this juicer. I must say it was super easy to set up. The juicing was seamless. It yielded high volumes of juice with low pulp and fiber. And it was super easy to clean. And on top of that, I mean, it's a really attractive appliance, wouldn't you say? So if you're on the market for a cold press juicer, I highly recommend the DNA Slow Juicer. I myself can't wait to make more use of it. Hopefully I'll be juicing daily. So happy juicing!